How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 70 Chevelle SS. This is an original 396 4-speed car, but it's been nicely outfitted with a 540. Just a badass car. It's all original body panels and floors. Super slick paint on the car. It's done in its factory shadow gray with your black SS stripes. Super cool car, guys. I'm gonna tell you, these 70 Chevelles this nice are really hard to come by. They have updated it with 15-inch SS wheels instead of the 14, so you can get a lot of tire under the car. Looks to be the original rear bumper on the car, and it's in excellent shape. The chrome on it is beautiful. All the panel fitment, super nice on this car. And this car, I mean, it's just straight down the sides. And I tell you, this shadow gray on this car is just tough looking. Just a super nice car, guys. I tell you, all the workmanship on this car is professional. I mean, nice, neat. And it's a 540 World Products block, Dart aluminum heads. It's got 1150 Dominator on it. Be Cool radiator with dual electric fans. It's got a 400 turbo in it. It's a B&M trans. Just a super nice car. This originally was a bench seat 4-speed car, and they didn't cut anything up. Very nice the way they did everything. See the doors, those are the original door panels in this car, and they're in excellent shape. It's got the factory tach in the dash. They did put a AutoMeter tach with shift light in it. Nice stereo system in the car with front and rear speakers. See the headliner, everything really nice in this car. It's got your 3-spoke sport wheel. I tell you, with the bench seat, this is one heck of a sleeper, guys. When we fire this car up, you'll see. It's got 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust. Just a super nice car. And again, this is an all original panel car. It's a California built car. Just a super nice car, guys. It's all the original trunk floor in the car, and it's excellent condition. They did Hotchkiss rear control arms and everything on the car. Got your anti-hop bars. It's a little cold. It's only like 4 degrees out right now, so you have to kind of bear with us, guys. Now, they did add some AutoMeter gauges to the dash to keep an eye on that motor. Now, that is a pump gas 540 in it. It's about 10-to-1 compression. And you just see how clean and nice the doors are in this car. Everything. Super nice car. Got all ceramic coated headers. 3-inch exhaust all the way out the back. Thing fires right up. Looks like we got a blinker bulb out there. We'll take care of that. Just a simple fix there. I tell you, just hear this thing pound the ground, guys. Backup lights all work in it. Super nice car, guys. Just things sound so good off the exhaust, just pounds the ground. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustommi.com. Have a great day, guys.